Yo, good morning guys. It is already 7:36 and I'm actually preparing my breakfast. This is just a fried egg. Yeah, this is how I fried the egg. This is something like a scrambled egg. But in the restaurant, we serve scrambled like still soft and creamy, but not liquidy. And I have the rice here, reheating. I cooked it last night. Also, I eat instant noodles last night with rice. Yeah, a good weather today outside. The sun was just rise on that side, and it's windy. Actually, the air is really cold this time. It's less than 10 degrees. It is less than 10 degrees. One moment, I will check on the phone. It is 8 degrees. 8 degrees, right? Cold. Here in the room is okay because I have my heater. At the moment it's switched off because I just yeah, the room temperature is normal. I mean it's good. So yeah, I'm actually using the heater just to warm the room. Okay. Yeah, this is how I eat the egg. This orange is coming from Ate Ao. I have heated this one for a long time already, maybe more than a month, that it was just sitting down in the fridge. Okay, now we have this orange juice, but look at the mess. It's alright. We are now here in Aldi's, and I don't really have plan of buying anything except for tape, double tape, because I need to fix the microphone of this camera. Yeah, that's all. But maybe we see something that we like. Oh, I'm going to take one of these. This yeah, different seeds, nuts, and it's $6.99. A little expensive. Yeah, all these things in the middle, they are special. Usually they change the special every week. Okay, we are also going to take one of these. It says tuna slice in olive oil with chili, spring water. I will take we try. $1.99 per piece, per box. We're also going to take one sardines. This is just $1.29. This is so much cheaper than Woolworth or Kohl's. And again, we're going to take one of these. It's just $2.99. Okay, I have everything in my backpack. And look at this, they are selling here a UV phone sanitizer with wireless charging. Nice. It's $79.99. We are now in Kmart. Kmart looks empty these days. Yeah, the stock really looks empty. Usually it's full, but now it's empty. Yeah, this one is the reason why I come here in Salamander Bay. Double adhesive tape. Kmart are empty because most of their products are coming from China. Yeah, I've seen in the news like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Oh, I don't know where are the books now. Ah, yeah, they remove it for safety. I am tempted to buy a watch, but I was thinking that yeah, I don't really need, because I have my mobile phone. Mobile phone has everything. Okay, look at that. The guy, the kid, he just left the backpack there. And the bike is not even locked. Yeah, he's confident to leave that bike there. I am now a little hungry. I am thinking of going to KFC to buy chicken. And if you don't know, this is where the people return their bottles, because you know the bottles here, it costs 10 cents for every soft drinks bottle or bottled water. Yeah, 10 cents. Soft drinks in can, yeah, they are 10 cents. So yeah, recyclable. And this is the chicken that I bought in KFC. This one is from Aldi, 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 and this one is from Kmart. This is the double-sided tape. I am going to use a small part of this double-sided tape. I'm going to put the microphone. Yeah, I'm going to fix the microphone of this camera. This one is $3. Affordable, but feel like wasted because I'm going to use just a small part of it. And this KFC is going to be, yeah, the second KFC for the week. Yeah, it's 25 minutes to 5 o'clock. I will watch that later. And look at that, it's color gold. I'm actually waiting for my landlord because I'm going to pay the house rent. So in case you don't know, the house this rent is $250 every week, and it's fully furnished, including the water, including the electricity, including the things here. The only thing that I bought for myself is the TV in the TV set, that one. They have a TV here. This one, but it's not very good. Yeah. So yeah, everything is included, and I pay $250 every week. And if you remember, during the COVID that I don't have a job, they told me not to pay. Yeah, but I pay $100. That is what he suggested. I will go check. I'm now doing the last part of my laundry, the trouser and apron, and I also finished washing the dishes. But I have some of this thing, you know. Yeah, this thing, these are raisins, and this. Yeah, it's been here maybe more than a year, and I stopped eating this like kind of oatmeal, but I wanna go and eat again something like this. That the dog is also jogging with his master. Nice. So yeah, we are here now in the town center. It is busy. I can see from here there are many people. There is a playground, and already yeah, people are, I mean the kids are playing, you know, this jumping rope something. Yeah, nice. You see also in there many people.
here. And to be honest, I don't feel like vlogging today. I mean this time, I don't know why. I feel like I just need to bike around, relax. But in my heart and in my mind, I want to vlog. Afternoon. I'm also not singing this much. Oh, we're going inside this bush. Part of me that I can't erase. Okay, yeah, we are now here. Why do I still cry for you? I have a coffee in here. Yeah, from here I can see that many people in the beach. You notice that this caravan park now many caravan inside. Yeah, because yeah, like what I said, it is now allowed to travel within New South Wales. Yeah, but you know, in Victoria, people are not allowed to go out. Also, people are advised not to go in Victoria. Victoria is basically the state where Melbourne is located. We're just going to buy meat pie in here on my phone. They don't have meat pie, they have just sausage roll. It's always good to see when there are many people. Look at that, they are in there. And even here there are many traveler. Yeah, there are many people that actually do travel when they have, especially in the long weekend or when they have long days off. I wish to say keep you calling me now. Even in this place, which is a secluded place, you're going to see many people. Yeah, they are explorer. Again, I am again tempted to get in here. Should we go this time or no? Because if I keep on going this way, I will be ending up somewhere here, like what I did last time. I don't know, maybe the time is not good to go this time. So I basically am here. I already did this one with the bike also. Also this I did already. This one not yet. I don't know. It's around 1.5 kilometer, 2.2 and 4.3. Oh, that guy is actually going in there. The time is not good because it's already maybe 4 o'clock and sunset is around 5 o'clock. I don't know. Yeah, there is no animals here. I don't know if there is kangaroo, but I don't think so. Okay, we are not going there. We are going there instead. Whoa. Actually feeling the need to pee. I need to go to the toilet. Leave that and we have a quick look. Nice, look at that. You don't see that, but there are many people on top of the mountain. And still a lot of people are keep on moving in there. Yeah, if you are up there, you're going to see the whole Port Stephen. And at the moment, there are many people down there. In here also. And on the other side of the mountain, I've been there also before. It's a rocky fishing area. Really looks dangerous, but people are still keep on going there and fish. Sunset is not here, but on the other side. Yeah, many people are keep on coming. And I noticed there is like two lady and one guy. They are a group of friends, and the guy is not shy to take off his pants together with the two ladies. Inside, I don't like. There is no excuse, my friend. They have a bike at the back of their caravan. Yeah, nice. Because once they get into the place, they stop there and then explore around using the bike. Because with the bike, you can go anywhere you want. Even the car, there is one small bike in top of the car, and the wheel is very small, very thin. I miss you. There's no other way to say it, and I can't deny it. I miss you. I miss you. We are now heading to the grocery, and then going home, and we'll be in the computer again.